Why a fruit tree? The whole Bible is all about being fruitful. In fact, the very first words God spoke in Genesis 1:28 was, be fruitful. So, why fruitful? Why a fruit tree? Because it's all about what is on the inside. But why a fruit tree? Simply because a fruit tree, in basics, is there to provide for others. So, where does that fruit on the tree come from? Jesus knew we would ask that question and said this to us in John 15 verse 4. Abide in me and I in you, as the branch cannot bear fruit of itself unless it abides in the vine. Neither can you unless you abide in me. In other words, the fruit comes from the tree, from the inside of the fruit tree, from what the tree supplies to the branch, and the branch supplies to the fruit on the branch. Therefore, as Jesus said, that in the same way as any tree produces fruit, we will bear fruit that comes from the tree we are from being connected to the giver of life. Which means that it's about giving yourself for others. It's about giving from the inside, from who you are. It's about drawing from what is inside of you. It's about drawing from the tree you are connected to, from the one whose image you have been created, from the one who is the source of life. John 15:9 tells us, Then Jesus answered and said to them, Most assuredly I say to you, the Son can do nothing of himself but what he sees the Father do. For whatever he does, the Son does in like manner. Now, what about us? What fruit are you bearing? For whom are you bearing that fruit? Where do we get that fruit? What are we supposed to do? Again, Jesus knew we would ask those questions, and therefore he explained it this way. John 15, verse 7 and 8. If you abide in me, and my words abide in you, you will ask whatever you desire, and it shall be done for you. By this my Father is glorified, that you bear much fruit. So you will be my disciples. In other words, get connected to the source of life, God. Get connected to the tree of life, Jesus, and become a vessel in his hands that God created us to be, as is recorded in Genesis 1:28. Then God blessed them, and God said to them, Be fruitful and multiply. Fill the earth and subdue it. Have dominion on the earth. Amen.